Hi, in this video we will be starting with the contact us page creation. Okay, so let's go back, open our website and find the contact us page. So this is the contact us page. So if I click on this, you will notice, wait, let's refresh it once. Okay, so this is our contact us page. We can see the page is fully blank. Let's try to make it better. Okay, let's try to edit this page. Click on edit with the elementor. Elementor page builder will now load. Now we can start with the customization of the contact us page. So the basic fields that are needed in any of the contact page is first address, our address, phone number, email ID and the contact us form. These are the basic things that are present in any of the contact us form. So let's try to add a heading first. Let's keep it something like thanks for visiting. Align center, update. Okay, now let's go and try to add a text field. This is a field for showing our address. Like my address slash date. It is a dummy address that I am trying to add. Slash Canada slash 410206. That's it. This is my address. Let me try to make it bold. That's it. Now let me try to add mobile number for my restaurant like 4338045. Okay, this is the contact number. Wait, let me try to add the country code also. Now let's make it bold. Now whenever they will click on the mobile number, they will not be able to do anything. Now let's try to link it with the phone. Type TEL double dot and 8433804507. This is the phone number, and if you click on enter, now whenever anyone will be clicking on it, they will be opening the phone. Same like address, we can add Google Maps, but let's skip this for now. Let's try to add the email address. It's gmail.com. Okay, so our email ID has been added, mobile number and address also. Let's link this. So it should be go like mail to double dot email address and just apply it. Okay, this is done. Let's try to make it bold. It will try to highlight it. Okay, so this is done. So now let's try to add the contact us form that we have generated. We can also try for search. Okay, so we can see WP forms is present here. Okay, so let's try to add it. Now it will try to load all the forms that we have created. So let's try to find our form. See, this is the contact us that we have created already. Now let's try to add display form name. Apply. Now you can see the contact us form has been added. Awesome, right? In the next step, we will be adding Google Maps. Thank you.